Welcome back to the channel. So if you want to record the screen with voice using Sharex, so guys, in default, when you do a screen recording on Sharex, there will be no audio. So to turn on the audio, you just simply go for task settings over here on the left side. Now here, go ahead and go for screen recorder. And now here on the screen recorder, you could just simply go for screen recording options. And now in default, the audio source will be none. So make sure to have the audio source as your microphone. And after that, you should be able to record with a voice. And that's pretty much it. You could just simply select capture and do your screen recording. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and I will do my best to answer them all. Thanks for watching.